Play-Doh, I'm going to show you my secret recipe.
The ingredients you'll need today is half a cup of salt, 3 drops of food colouring, 1 tablespoon of tartare, 1 tablespoon of baby or veggie oil, 1 cup of water and 1 cup of plain flour. To start off with, you're going to add your cream of tartare, your salt, baby oil and food colouring into your bowl. Next, add in 1 cup of hot water. Be careful, you might need a parent's help with this. Stir it until most of your ingredients are combined. Next, you're going to get your cup of flour and you're going to slowly add it into your mixture and stir in between. Tip your Play-Doh mixture out onto the counter. You might need to add a little bit of flour so your hands don't get too sticky. Then you're going to knead your Play-Doh until you get to a nice consistency. We use Play-Doh most days in class to help us with our hand strength. Hand strength helps develop our pre-writing skills. Use your Play-Doh to complete the following activities. Use a rolling pin to roll out our Play-Doh. You can use a cookie cutter to cut out different shapes. Using the palms of your hands, roll out a snake. Cut up the snake using a knife or scissors. Between each thumb and finger, squish a small ball of Play-Doh. You can also use your Play-Doh to spell out your sight words. Try doing our Hulk hands activity. Roll up a ball, put it in the palm of your hand and squeeze as tight as you can. You can use your Play-Doh to create different animals. Today I'm going to make an echidna. Can you remember our language word for echidna?
Jilgamata.
I'm going to add some eyes and some matchsticks on for its spikes.
Make sure you store your Play-Doh in an airtight container. It can last up to 2 weeks in the fridge.
Some other activities you can complete for different fine motor and hand strength activities include threading and beading, writing with chalk, or using tongs to pick up wishing stones, pom-poms or rocks.